Hello guys, I'm going to be making a new channel all about Minecraft, as you can see here on the Xbox. And we're gonna be talking about, me and my cousin, we're gonna be talking about like updates and all that. And as you can see here, this is my cousin. And don't do that. And he made a little KA for us. K is my name, of course, and A is his name, which is Andrew.
I usually go by Flaming Phoenix.
And if you don't know me and you're just a new person, I'm Kylie Larson, and I have a bunch of seeds and all that for Minecraft. I just have everything. Thanks. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.